Hello everyone! Today, show you how to make a sandwich. Ingredients you will need start sandwich bread, deli meat, such as ham or sausage, fresh vegetable like lettuce, cucumber, and sweet bean tomato, smooth mayonnaise, uh, and ketchup to add a bit of yes to your sandwich. First, slice bread on the left. Next, we put lettuce on the bread. Second, we cut lettuce into Next, let's put all three lettuce on the bread. This is for they are only friend is covered the perfect glass.
The next step is put egg on the bread. They can go by vitamins and minerals. You can substitute this with cucumber, onion, or bell pepper if you prefer.
To make the sandwich taste better, you should use sauces like ketchup or mayonnaise. Ketchup adds natural, uh, sweet and fancy flavor, while mayonnaise gives it a rich and creamy taste. But if you want other options, you can use barbecue sauces, chili sauces, and mustard. Now, take a last white bread in our pan. Okay, sandwich in brown TV. Now it's time for us to taste it. Our homemade sandwich tastes very good and delicious. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.